Need to change your Facebook password in 2025? Here's a quick and easy way to do it, step by step. Step 1. Log out of other devices. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the menu bar. That's usually the 3 lines in the bottom or top corner. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Now tap on See More in Account Center. Then tap on Password and Security. Go to where you're logged in. This shows all the devices where your Facebook account is currently active. Tap on the Facebook account you want to manage. Then tap on the device you want to log out from. Tap Select All. Now tap on Logout and confirm again by tapping Logout one more time. Step 2. Change your password. Now go back to Settings. Tap on Change Password or Change Settings. Select the Facebook account you want to update. If you don't remember your current password, tap on Forgot Your Password. Then tap Try another way to verify your identity. Tap Next to continue. Follow the instructions, and once you're verified, enter your new password. After that, your password will be successfully changed. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.